More than 7,000 captive Ethiopian soldiers have walked from Abdi Esher, about 75 kilometers southwest of Mekele, the capital of Ethiopia's Tigray region. The Ethiopian soldiers captured by the Tigray Defense Force are alleged to have walked over 4 days. Tigrayan rebels marched into Mekele this week after local officials and Ethiopia's federal government troops pulled out. The government of Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed has since declared a unilateral ceasefire.
I think the withdrawal comes from a position of weakness, as discussed. It seems very unlikely that Tigray Defense Forces is going to embrace any ceasefire, region-wide ceasefire, whilst that presence continues. This does look like a deliberate strategy to blockade and to constrict Tigray, as what the federal government perceives as rebel leadership takes power in Mekele. That's clearly not conducive to a humanitarian relief operation. Clearly, that's not a legitimate part of a humanitarian ceasefire.
Celebrations erupted on the streets of Mekele this week when rebel fighters took over the city, a pivotal moment in a brutal 8-month-long conflict.